Hello everyone! Welcome back to H&H Knowledge Hub, and today we're gonna learn some amazing facts about peacocks. Male and female peacocks are both called peafowl. Only male peacocks have beautiful feathers. Female peacocks are called peahens. Baby peacocks are called peachicks. Peacocks take 3 years to grow their tail feathers. The peacock's tail feathers are called a train. The Indian peacock is India's national bird. A group of peafowl are called a harem. Peafowl make 11 different types of sounds. Peahens are clever birds. Peacock's sound has a really low pitch that humans are not capable of hearing. Sometimes peacocks tend to be quite aggressive. Peafowl do not like to be alone. The average lifespan of peafowl is between 10 to 20 years. The gray peacock stands as the national symbol of Burma. Blue peacocks are known to survive in northern winters. Peafowl feed on poisonous kinds of the said reptiles. White peacocks are not albino peacocks. The green peacock fell under the red list of endangered species. Thanks for watching! Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already.